In Islam, charity is not limited to adults but also extends to children. Encouraging children to participate in acts of charity is a way to instill compassion, generosity, and empathy from an early age. Here are some aspects related to kids' charity in Islam. 1. Education and awareness. Teaching children about the importance of charity and the concept of helping others is a fundamental step. Parents, guardians, and educators can explain the significance of charity in Islam and share stories and examples of charitable acts to inspire and educate children. 2. Voluntary acts. Children can engage in voluntary acts of charity according to their capabilities and age. These acts may include donating their toys, clothes, or books to less fortunate children, helping in community service activity, participating in fundraising events, or collecting funds for charitable causes. Sadaqah. Children can also give Sadaqah, which is voluntary acts of giving beyond the obligatory charity zakat. They can contribute their pocket money, allowance, or earnings from small tasks to support charitable projects, help those in need, or provide assistance to individuals or organizations engaged in humanitarian work. Family and community involvement. Engaging children in charitable activities as a family or community can be an enriching experience. Parents can take their children to volunteer at local charities, participate in food or clothing drives, or visit orphanages or shelters to interact with those in need. Such involvement fosters a sense of empathy and social responsibility in children. Encouragement and support. Parents, guardians, and elders should encourage and support children in their charitable endeavors. Praising their efforts, providing guidance, and leading by example play a significant role in shaping their charitable behavior and developing a compassionate outlook. Learning values and lessons. Engaging in charitable acts allows children to learn important values, such as gratitude, humility, and selflessness. They understand the concept of sharing and realize the impact their actions can have on the lives of others. It also helps them develop a sense of gratitude for the blessings they have been given. Overall, involving children in acts of charity in Islam serves as a means to nurture their character, empathy, and kindness. It allows them to understand their responsibility towards their fellow human beings and the importance of giving back to the community.